Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Daiwa Ninja 6000 LT. I will disassemble this reel and will show you what happened with the main gear pair and with mechanism in general after 15 fishing sessions on feeder. We will discuss about suitability of this reel to feeder fishing, and we will suffer a little bit because of my English, of course. So this particular reel already had maintenance after first 20 fishing sessions because it used to have too big, in my opinion, backflash of main gear pair. Now it's not. I decided to fix it, so I did maintenance of this reel. After that, I spent 31 fishing sessions with this reel on the Dnieper River in Kyiv and nearby, and it looks like it requires maintenance again. So before we start, I need to make one not big remark. Daiwa has a really similar model that is called Daiwa Ninja Feeder LT or something close to it. So this modification is really similar, but what's the difference between Daiwa Ninja Feeder and Daiwa Ninja 6000? First one is handle. This one has a little bit lighter, and to be true, I like it much more. This handle, yeah. And spring clip. This one, regular Ninja without feeder, has spring clip, like Fuego, for example, like this. In 6000 side it's necessary. So yeah, but this one has just fixed clip. It's absolutely suitable for usage with braid, but if you want to use the clip of this reel and to use monofilament line, I'd recommend you to choose feeder edition because it has spring clip and it's more suitable for monofilament line. In case of usage braid, it's not really necessary, and according to my experience, there is no difference. Do you have Daiwa LT spring clip or not? So, as I already said, I used it on my feeder rod, yeah, predominantly with feeder cages. It's handmade feeder cage with weight 100 grams, and the second one has weight 80 grams. This is my regular feeder cages I use in about maybe 17% of my fishings. This shape allows me to cast it further than, for example, classic one. So first of all, handle knob. As you can see, it has too big flash and this horrible sound, knocking sound. I prefer to fix it, and I will show you how to do that with using only scissors and one or maybe two washers. The backflash of the main gear pair is absolutely okay, it's normal, and without disassembling it we can't see any other damage of mechanical wear. On the shaft we can see some dirty oil, yeah, with the products of mechanical wear. So let's disassemble it and look up what's inside of the reel. So I disassembled the reel, and what can we see here? On the pinion gear we can see a lot, really a lot of dark grease, and this requires to be replaced. Certainly I need to replace this. Yes, of course, approximately the same we can see on the main gear, yeah, on this shaft. But I can see so much dark dirty grease on this gear. So let's wash it and let's see what's happened with with these gears. Main gear pair, I mean. So guys, I washed up the gears of grease, and what can we see? We can see that the main grease has absolutely good condition. Of course, we can see the spot of contact on the teeth here, yeah. And approx the same we can see on the pinion gear, but it's still absolutely okay, and it's still in absolutely working condition, and will be working a lot of time. And the isolation gear, as we can see, has almost no mechanical wear. It's like, it looks like absolutely new. Okay, almost new. So the reel is in absolutely good condition. Of course, it works louder than the new one, but it's still absolutely okay, and will be working for a long time. And one more interesting thing, as we know, this model has classic Twist Buster 2 line roller system. Consists of 2 bushings, yes, but I replaced it with one ball bearing and 2 distancing washers. It helps to the line roller spin smoothly, and it works much better when you are fishing, for example, in cold period of time. I mean when it's less than 0 Celsius degree. And what I want to admit, it's really small ball bearing, only 3 to 6 to 25 millimeters. It's as a SMR, and it's still alive despite of its really small ball bearing and the weights of feeder cages I've been using. I feel like enough big to destroy it, but it's still okay. So to fix the knocking handle, we need to insert here a washer, the size of which you can see here in millimeters, yeah, 527 to 0.1 millimeter. What we need to do? First, we need to cut some segment, like small cluster, like this, yeah. And just inserting, and I'm just inserting it there. And that's it. So, what I want to say in general about this reel. It's a big spinning reel, but it's absolutely suitable for feeder fishing, even for heavy feeder fishing. This reel is absolutely good for money, in my opinion. Would I recommend to buy this reel for feeder fishing? Yes, I would, but only if you want to use it with braid. If you want to fish with monofilament line, I'd prefer to choose a little bit more expensive Daiwa models with spring-loaded clip. For example, Legalis, Fuego, Exceller, and so on. Or at least Prorex X. It's almost the same. I would say it's Ninja with Fuego spool, spring-loaded clip. This clip doesn't spoil not only braid, but also monofilament line. So, if you are still watching this video, to be true, you are a hero. If you have any questions, text in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.